All right, everybody, we'll get started here. It's 11:30. My name is Kathleen, and I will be doing your weekly impact weather briefing for today. The period of coverage here is August 8th through the 14th. Today, we're going to have more of the same, unfortunately, of what we had yesterday. Hopefully a little bit less by the way of rainfall totals, but we've already got showers developing along the US 1 corridor. Light, very spotty right now. We'll expect coverage to increase a bit towards the afternoon hours. You can see on this first slide here, we get that stationary boundary that's lingering over central North Carolina today and tomorrow, and then with the low over the Gulf Coast, we'll see that chances for precip will increase, particularly in the west and the south closest to that low, but it should hang out there for at least the early part of the week. And then later this week and into the weekend, that low will start to slide north along the mountains. And then we'll see chances increase even more so for rainfall into the weekend. However, the rainfall chances aren't expected to be severe. The greatest threat with the showers and storms that do develop will be heavy rainfall. We're going to continue to have the moist air mass that we've had for, geez, it seems like forever, but the last couple of weeks or so. So it's going to be uncomfortable in the morning and high humidity, so that high, hot, humid conditions are going to continue through the week. This is the forecasted rainfall for the respective periods, and you can see with that low sitting over the Gulf, that's kind of where the bullseye is as far as precipitation goes. And we're on the outskirts of that, at least through the end of the week, and towards the weekend, some of that starts to creep up into the western part of North Carolina. Uncertainty obviously increases as we get towards the weekend, so we'll see how that evolves throughout the week. So definitely pay attention to the weather forecasts as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to make sure that hopefully that changes a little bit. And then for the Climate Prediction Center's outlook for the next 8 to 14 days beyond our 7-day forecast period, very similar to what we've been seeing, above normal chances for precipitation, slightly above normal chances for slightly higher than 50% chance of above normal temperatures for the 8 to 14 day outlook as well. So very similar probably to what we've been seeing for the last 2 weeks or so. And just to highlight here, I've got on the bottom the forecast for the next 5 days for the Raleigh area. You can see temperatures are going to hang out in the mid to upper 80s, maybe close to the low 90s, with chances for showers and storms every day. Lows are going to be uncomfortable again in the mid 70s, so go out in the morning, it's going to feel sticky, uncomfortable. That's the word I would use to describe it, I guess. And then the biggest thing to watch is going to be the threat for any kind of minor flooding to potentially flash flooding with the rain showers that do develop, and how that Gulf Coast low evolves and what that means for the chances for rain over the weekend. And that's all I have, so if anybody has any questions, I would be happy to answer them. You're welcome. All right, I'm starting to see people drop out, so I'm not seeing any more questions come in. Thank you all for attending today, and we will see you here again, same time, same place next week. Have a good day, everybody.